Okay, we're gonna go now, guys. I'm gonna assume this is probably gonna be a tight fit for me. Which is not a surprise. You gotta think these rides aren't made for well, littler kids. People definitely smaller than me. But you gotta try to ride at least once, guys. Thanks. Oh, let's do the orange boat. How about it? Oh. Oh, okay, not bad. Not bad. Yeah. Okay. I guess she's gonna wait for a few more.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, keep all hands, arms, and big legs. Enjoy the ride at all times. Keep an eye on your little wheel tracks. And make sure no one's standing up, because we don't know if you have your sea legs or not. If you're ready, say arr.
Arr.
Anchors away! Anchors away! Anchors away!
It's actually kind of peaceful, guys. Awesome little ride.
Please collect any personal items and exit. Goodbye for now.
Thanks. Bye. Alright, that was cool.